Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best scissors for school kids. The Fiskars 5-inch pointed tip scissors designed specifically for children ages 4 to 7. These scissors are a perfect blend of safety, comfort, and functionality, making them an excellent choice for young learners in classrooms or at home crafting. Fiskars has a long-standing reputation for quality and innovation, and these scissors are no exception. Crafted with stainless steel blades and a pointed tip, they offer precise cutting ability for detailed work, such as cutting paper or craft supplies. What sets these scissors apart is their kid-friendly design, which ensures safety without compromising performance. The blades feature a safer blade angle that reduces the risk of accidents, making them ideal for young children who are just developing their cutting skills. The ergonomic handles are thoughtfully designed with kids' hands in mind. The larger finger loop and an ergonomic thumb loop help provide a natural and comfortable fit, allowing children to grip the scissors securely and cut with ease. This design also encourages proper hand positioning, which is crucial for building fine motor skills. The handle's alignment with the blades allows for better precision, especially when cutting in the air or working on craft projects that require careful detail. One of the key benefits of these Fiskars scissors is their durability. Although designed for young users, they are made to last through many uses, whether in the classroom or during home art activities. The blades are sharp enough to cut through a variety of classroom materials efficiently, from construction paper to felt, which makes them versatile for multiple projects. The scissors come in a convenient 3-pack with vibrant colors, red, blue, and turquoise, so you can keep one at school, one at home, and maybe an extra just in case. This set offers great value for parents and teachers alike, ensuring kids always have access to a reliable pair of scissors when creativity strikes. Additionally, Fiskars backs these scissors with a full lifetime warranty, a testament to their confidence in the product's quality and durability. Assembly is not required. They're ready to use right out of the package, making them hassle-free for busy parents and educators. In summary, the Fiskars 5-inch pointed tip scissors for kids ages 4 to 7 are a top-tier choice for school supplies. They combine safety features, ergonomic design, and cutting performance in a kid-appropriate size. Whether your child is just starting to learn how to cut or needs a dependable tool for crafting, these scissors offer comfort, control, and durability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.